Hey guys, Jessica Starr here with Starr Realty Group at Keller Williams Realty, standing inside our gorgeous new listing. This one is 14 Clover Lane, a part of H2O, Connecticut, a part of Simsbury. This is located in the Latimer Lane Elementary School District. It is a stunning 4-bedroom home nestled at the end of a sleepy little cul-de-sac. It is just the most idyllic location. Beautiful, beautiful gardens surround this property. Great paver patio, nice composite deck, nice and private, plenty of place to play. You've got an amazing remodeled kitchen here. Look at this kitchen. I absolutely love this. With the double ovens, tons of custom features. It's great. It's got custom woodwork throughout, a wonderful mudroom. It's got a nice cozy den family room that actually has a propane fireplace in it, so you can enjoy those winter nights. Nice propane cooktop back there that you can see as well, with a great center island, all open from the kitchen into the family room area. So everybody can see each other. If you are baking cookies, or maybe you're working on some work at the kitchen table here and you want to enjoy the big game by a fire, you can do it right here. I love this house because it's also got a great finished basement that's walkout. It's got a nice little bar down there and an additional bath as well. 4 bedrooms upstairs. The master has an amazing ensuite master bath that's been all remodeled. It's got a great walk-in closet, freshly painted throughout, custom woodwork throughout, central vac, central air, sprinkler system. It's got a new roof in 2010, new water heater in 2016, 3-car garage. I mean, the bells and whistles, they're all here. If you want to see this property, you better give us a call or you're going to miss your chance. 860-325-2484, or visit us on our website at starrealtygroup.com. We look forward to helping you make your dreams come true too. Make it a great day.